Hey guys, this is Jenna from Resort TV1, and today we are at the Yacht Club. And we're so excited because Rachel and Peter from Window Repair Parts are going to let us tour their room. So yeah, we're super excited. And I am in my Lilo and Stitch outfit because then we're gonna head over and have breakfast at Ohana's. So yay, and then that's gonna be a separate video. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So we parked our car and we're walking in. We have nice pretty fountains. I've actually never stayed at the Yacht Club. I've stayed at the Beach Club before. So I'm excited to see what the rooms look like.
Good morning.
Hi. Morning. I've been in the lobby before. Very, very pretty. There's the check-in desk over there. So check out this amazing carpet they have too. So neat. I just love all the details they have here. So cool. I'm walking down the hallway looking for their room. No way! Hey!
Welcome in!
Yay! Hey guys! So cute!
How you doing?
Alright, so as you first walk in, there's a nice Keurig over here. Some cups, and I think this is a fridge. Yes, a hidden fridge. That's pretty cool. And then over here is a nice little closet area. Hey, look at that Buzz Lightyear backpack. I love it. And I bet this is more storage in here. Oh, and there's the safe. An ironing board. And then we'll turn around this way and we'll show the bathroom first. Oh, this is a really cool door. It's like a sliding door. That's awesome. Okay, so let's check the bathroom out. Double sink. Very nice. And then you have your separate shower. Let's see if I can find the light. Oh, nope, not that one. Hang on, I found it. Yay! Very nice. It's very fancy. I love it. Nice big mirror to get ready. Okay, let's come out here and check the rest of the room out. There's everybody hanging out. Hey guys. Mom and Dad. And I think what they're sitting on is a pull-out couch, which is great. Yeah. And then two queen, I think? Yeah, queen beds. I love the wallpaper back there. That's really cool. Very nautical. And of course, you know, we have this playing in the background. Resort TV. And I love this. I just love the nautical look. Of course, we're at the Yacht Club. And look at this picture. That's awesome. Oh, and look at the curtains. How cool is that? It's the stars. And then we have a desk over here. And this mirror looks like a porthole. That's awesome. I think that's what they're called, porthole, not portal. So I love the lights above the bed. I don't think we showed that before. And these are really neat too. It's a light that comes out. How cool is that? And you can like twist it down, turn it around. Wait, is that a song? Do the hokey pokey. And one of the best parts about the room is this amazing view. Oh my goodness. So they are on the 4th floor of the yacht club. Let's go outside and get a better look. We have a nice balcony, with a couple chairs. So pretty. Wow. I think I could get used to this view. Just come out here, have your cup of coffee, and just enjoy this view. This is awesome. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed checking out Peter and Rachel's awesome room here at the Yacht Club. It's amazing, and this view, oh my goodness. So yeah. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. Give us a like and let me know in the comments if you guys have stayed here before. So thank you so much to Rachel and Peter for letting us see their room. And until next time, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. P.S. Check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also WindowRepairParts.us, and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, for real, for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.